Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear right and left coil struts for the Lincoln Navigator U554. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth installation. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Raise the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel. Now disconnect and unroute the electrical connection. Next, disconnect the ride height sensor bracket from the lower control arm and remove the bottom shock bolt. Then, remove the lower control arm bolt as well as the 3 shock top mount nuts. Pull down the lower control arm and remove the shock from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation of the coil struts. Start the installation by inserting the new Arnott coil strut into the vehicle. Then install the top mount nuts loosely to hold the coil strut in place. Now reconnect the lower control arm, install the lower control arm bolt, and position and reinstall the bottom shock mount bolt. The next step is to reconnect the ride height sensor bracket to the lower control arm and connect the electrical connection to the new shock. Finish tightening the top mount nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Now reinstall the rear wheel and lower the vehicle. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the coil struts on a Lincoln Navigator U554 with Arnott parts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions.